Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today I'm working on one of our a fan. She's a fan of our channel. And she's become a friend. Her name is Helle, and she lives all the way over in Copenhagen. And she mailed this to Pop and I as a Christmas gift. And she, of course, finished it up, but I don't mind that at all. So we're gonna play with that today. So cute and adorable gnomes. You should be seeing from the small camera. They're just absolutely adorable. And I'll show you what I did on this side already, just so you can kind of see how I was breaking it down. I really wanted to put some texture in the beard, so I did little I don't know, scoops or swirls, and then just bounced back and gave that beard some movement. So it looks like some movement in it, right? And then the same over here with this little counterpart. And then you can always shape the little circles, like almost like if you're making like a mustache. So you stitch in the mustache in the beard, and little swirls, if and to give it texture. And then I came around the tree here, and I just highlighted it, so it looks like it's nice and puffy. And it just kind of came in here, and then just followed it all the way around, which we will do on the other one. And then for a little bit more, thought about coming in here and then just doing gentle movements, and then highlighting the white part here that she has to highlight as the snow, and then this beautiful little background. I thought about doing a bunch of little circles, and then I'm like, well, it's got the snowballs here, so I don't want to take away from the circle. So you gotta kind of plan this a little bit out, right? So let's go do the beards and the tree on the other guys, and then we'll figure it out what we're doing. Okay. Aren't they cute? They're so adorable. Very, very adorable. I think I said adorable, and I didn't mean to say that. Just adorable. All right, so I'm just picking a spot, and then I'm going to kind of work my way down, maybe even just across and then down, or down and then back up. And then just to make sure you're finishing it off, you want to just kind of come around the shape of the beard, and then just come up near the nose, around the underside of the nose, and then back around over to here to stop, and then cut your threads, okay? So I have it on 12 stitches per inch. It's off the belt, so it's very easy for me to maneuver. And anyway, off we go. Like I say, you just want to add some movement to the beard, giving it looking like it has hairs. And they're all curly and wavy. And then one right down there near the point. And then just backtracking. And then following the beard outline shape where she's got all her little stitches down. And then right close to the hat, around the nose, back towards the hat. And since we started off the stitching of the outside of the beard down here, well, that's where we'll have to end it off. Okay, right down there in the corner. Just to make sure we're interlocking some of our stitches, okay? And then, of course, we're going to break threads, or cut threads, whatever. I'm not breaking them, so I cut them. Bring the bobbin up. Make sure I'm getting both, okay? And you can trim those ones off to the side. Okay. And then again, see, you could, come from a different angle and work the beard, or you can come up here by the nose and really make that whole little mustache. Let's try for that one. Let's give our dude a little mustache. Okay. There we go. I think that turned out really well. We'll just come around again and do like a big circle down here, a swirl. Come up right here, around the nose. Just use the outline to maneuver. You even could curl it up the other way. Give it a little bit of depth and dimension. Alright. Right, and then around. Okay. Little beard's done. They're cute. They're adorable. Like I said, just totally adorable. And I love the little fabric, little hearts, little golden hearts, and then the paisley over there. It's quite lovely. All right, and then what I did is I started near the bottom of the tree. Just found my little spot, lock in some stitches, put those threads off to the side so I'm not going to get distracted by them. You can always start a little bit, stop, and then cut them. It's up to you. And I'm just following, and then of course I'm sticking to the white. I'm not trying to touch the red because you'll see those stitches. Okay, and I'm just getting that tree to pop up. And this, since it comes all the way around, I followed it to be able to get this branch out here, and then I come back and get that other one because it's there wasn't quite a way to get to it without cutting threads. Okay, and then back this way here, following the whole tree layout, and it just makes that tree pop. It's so pretty. I love it, and the fabric is beautiful. I didn't want to use a silver to take away. So I just kind of chose something that just going to blend right in. Just highlight it. Don't forget to move and breathe, okay? Got our beautiful Christmas tree in the background there. So pretty. It's got some of our favorite ornaments on it. We don't have a lot of room in the shop, so we kind of have to navigate things around when it comes to Christmas. Beautiful. Beautiful tree. And it's such a beautiful piece of art. And I'm just beyond happy that she gifted it to us. Alright, and again, right close to the red. You're not going to touch it, or you're going to try not to touch it, but you know, if it happens, I wouldn't panic. If it's really bad, fix it. If it's not too bad, then don't worry about it. And I just want to highlight this. We're using it as a table runner, and well, it is a table runner, but just saying. And I just want to highlight a few things. I don't want to take away from anything else. I don't want to quilt it to death. I just want to highlight it. Okay, all right, and then we'll put a few little stitches here. Okay, See, now you could fill in this whole background with either some micro stitching, and then that would really make that tree stand out like, hello, how are ya? Oh yeah, sorry, I was gonna go back over here. So let's do this. And same with the hat. You know, I kind of like the hat to be puffy. So you know, when I do, I'll come, just here. I think I'm just gonna keep highlighting what she has here and leave some space in between. So. And then, perfect. Okay, now, oh, there was two over on the other side as well. So, unfortunately, with long arming, there's lots of thread waste. It's just the way it is. You can't control it. All right, so with this one, I'm going to be able to come over to here to there, but I don't want to travel that far to get all the way down to there. So I'm just going to hop these three, and then I'll break threads or cut threads, and then come down and do that one. So I do want to get them included. I don't want to leave them out in the design. So if you were to look at this from the back side, you'd still be able to tell that it's a big, beautiful tree. Slow and steady. Up here, and then down, and then back across. And stop. Okay. Do 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 And of course you could do this on your domestic machine without any issues at all. It wouldn't take you very long to do it. I'm trying to do this sideways, but it might be easier if you were looking at it straight on, or not, depends. So y'all getting ready for Christmas? The countdown's on. I said to the Munchkins the other day, I said, oh, less than 3 weeks. Or no, it's actually, I said it was 3 weeks because it was just the other day. And they're like, what? So excited. So, and then I like I said, I'll just kind of highlight here, follow the path that she has created with her background and the depth that she has from the foreground to the background. And then just come up straight here. And then follow this. You know, and you could add more at this point. You can fill in with little waves. You know, you're just mimicking, you know, what the design is that she's got going on, or what is going on. Just tack it down so it looks like there's some movement to it. Okay, and then we'll follow this here. Highlight what's under the little gnome. Just right under his feet. There we go. And then of course I can track this here, and then I'm going to be able to go around the snowballs. Or stacks of wood covered in snow, I'm not exactly sure. And then I'll just backtrack up here and we do another little movement. There, and another little swirl, and come over to get this guy. And right near his shoes. There, and then up around again near his shoes. There, and there. Okay, and then of course you can backtrack and then make your own. You're just adding movement. You don't. It doesn't have to be crazy stitched, right? It just has to be just enough. Okay. We'll go up and do this one. Go around the side of the gnome. There. And of course you can always go around them completely to highlight them. Okay, you can break off there. And that's how I'm just going to highlight her beautiful piece of art. So thank you very much, Helle. And I hope everybody gives you, you know, beautiful comments on your beautiful work of art. So I'm going to save the other table runner for free motion on the regular domestic machine. So I just wanted to keep this one as just Helle's project for today. So thank you very much for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check us out on Patreon. We greatly appreciate it. And there's always extra bonuses. And we will see you on Weekend Project. Okay? We're going to do Pop's Block of the Month. Take care. Last for December. Can't believe it's been 12 already. Have a good day. Bye-bye.